Just 80 seconds, and watch what Pepsi triggers inside your body.
The journey begins the moment you consume Pepsi.
In the stomach, carbonation expands and sugar quickly dissolves into the bloodstream. A rapid surge of sugar enters the bloodstream, and this is where the chain reaction begins. The heart beats faster as blood sugar levels rise.
Caffeine stimulates the brain, blocking fatigue signals and boosting alertness.
Muscles receive a temporary energy boost, but hydration begins to drop. The liver works hard to process excess sugar, converting some of it into fat. The pancreas releases insulin to control the sudden sugar spike. This is the complete domino effect of Pepsi inside your body. A quick energy rise, followed by a sudden crash.